Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Is your refrigerator not keeping things cool? Whether it's your drinks, produce, or leftovers, having a fridge that doesn't cool properly can be frustrating. In today's video, I'll walk you through some common reasons why refrigerators stop cooling and how to fix them. Before we start, here are some tools you may need. A screwdriver, a vacuum cleaner or a brush, a multimeter for checking electrical components. Step 1. Check the power supply. First, let's make sure your refrigerator is getting power. It sounds simple, but sometimes a loose plug or a tripped circuit breaker can cause the issue. Make sure the plug is firmly connected and check your breaker box for any tripped switches. Step 2. Inspect the temperature settings. Next, check your fridge's temperature settings. The ideal temperature for a refrigerator is between 37 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature settings were accidentally changed, readjust them and wait 24 hours to see if the fridge cools properly. Step 3. Clean the condenser coils. Dirty condenser coils are a common reason refrigerators stop cooling. These coils are usually located at the back or underneath the fridge. Use a vacuum cleaner or a brush to remove any dust and debris. Clean coils allow heat to dissipate properly, which helps keep your fridge cool. Step 4. Check the door seals. Gasket. Now, let's check the door seals. If the seals are damaged or loose, cool air can escape, making it harder for your fridge to maintain the right temperature. To test this, run a dollar bill around the seals. If it slips out easily, it's time to replace the gasket. Step 5. Test the evaporator fan. If your freezer is too warm, the evaporator fan might not be working. This fan is responsible for circulating cold air from the freezer to the fridge. Open the freezer and listen for the fan. If you don't hear it running or it sounds off, you may need to replace it. Step 6. Inspect the thermistor and temperature control board. A faulty thermistor can cause temperature fluctuations. Use a multimeter to check its resistance. If it doesn't change when the temperature changes, you'll need to replace it. If the thermistor is fine, the problem could be with the temperature control board, which may require professional service. Step 7. Look at the start relay. The start relay is crucial for your compressor to run. If your fridge is making clicking noises but not cooling, the start relay could be the issue. You can test the relay with a multimeter and replace it if needed. Step. When to call a professional. If you've tried all these steps and your refrigerator still isn't cooling, it may be time to call a professional. Some repairs, like fixing a malfunctioning compressor, can be complicated and are best handled by a certified technician. Conclusion. I hope this guide has helped you troubleshoot your cooling issues. Remember, regular maintenance, like cleaning the coils and checking the seals, can go a long way in keeping your fridge running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.